today's problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is prove that two of the straight line given by the equation there be a 4-degree homogeneous equation which is passes through origin. Okay, and it is given by ax to the power 4 plus bx cube y plus cx square y square plus dxy cube plus a y to the power 4. This is equal to 0, and we will bisect the angle between the other two if two conditions are held. The condition 1 is c plus 6a equal to 0, and or condition 2 is b plus d equal to 0. Okay, and clearly this equation represents 4 pair of straight line, or sorry, 4 straight line passes through the origin, that is 2 pair of straight line passes through the origin, and one pair will bisect the angle between the other pair. So we first take one pair of straight line passes through the origin as, let first pair be, let it be px square plus 2hxy plus qy square. This is equal to 0. It be first pair, and we find first the equation of bisector of the pair 1, and this is must the second pair of the 4 straight line, because one pair will bisect the another pair. Okay, and equation of bisector, equations of bisectors of 1 is given by we know that the equation of bisector is x square minus y square by p minus q, the coefficient of x square minus coefficient of y square, and this is equal to xy by coefficient of 2xy. This is given by h. Okay, and by cross multiplication we get this is hx square minus p minus q into xy minus hy square. This is equal to 0. Let it be 2. Okay, now equation number 1, or pair of straight line 1 and pair of straight line 2 together represent the given line. This is 4-degree equation. Okay, so we can write ax to the power 4 plus bx cube y plus cx square y square plus dxy cube plus a y to the power 4. This is equal to px square plus 2hxy plus qy square into hx square minus, this is p minus q into xy minus hy square. This. Okay, and now comparing the equal over of x and y from both sides, we get the result as a, which is given by the coefficient of x to the power 4, and it is clear that this is p into h. Okay, similarly we get a from the right side. This is the coefficient of y to the power 4, and this is given by minus q into h, and we write first relation between these two a, that is p into h. This is equal to minus q into h. So we get the relation p. This is equal to minus q. Okay, let it be relation number 3. Right, now what is b? B is the coefficient of x cube y, and we get from the right side, this is given by p into this, because x square into xy square, this is x cube y. So we get minus p into p minus q, and we get also x cube y from here. This is plus 2h square, and here we use this relation, that is minus q. This is equal to p, we put here, and getting the result minus p into p plus 2h square. So we get 2h square minus 2p square. This is given by b. Right? This is the second relation. We name this relation as relation number 4. Now the coefficient of x square y square, which is given by c. What is equal to c? C is given by, from here we get minus 2h into p minus q. This is x square y square, and also we get another two term. This is p into minus h. This is also x square y square minus p into h, and another term is q into h plus q into h. Okay, so we get from here, by putting the value of minus q, this is equal to p, from relation number 3 we get minus 2h into p plus p minus ph into also minus ph, because this is plus q, and get the result as 2 and 2 minus, sorry, this is 4 and this is minus 6 ph. This is given by c, and we name this relation as relation number 4. Now the coefficient of x, y, q. What is the coefficient of x, y, q? This is d, and from the right side we get x, y, q, means we get from here x, y, q, that is q into p minus q into minus here, and another x, y, q, this is given by this into this. So this is minus 2h square. So we put the value again, minus q, this is equal to p, that is p, and p plus p minus 2h square. So we get 2 into p square minus h square. This is given by d, and we name this relation as relation number 5. Okay, now we write the first required relation, which is given by c plus 6a. What is c? C is given by this minus 6 ph, and what is a? A is given by ph, so plus 6 ph, and clearly this is given by 0. So we prove the first result. This is the first result. Okay, and now we write the second proof. This is given by b plus b. What is b? B is given by here. This is 2h square minus 2p square, and now we write the value of d. D is given by 2 into p square minus 2h square, and clearly the right side is 0. So this is the second proof. Okay, this is second proof. So we easily prove the given to relation from the given condition. Okay, very interesting and important problem of pair of straight line. Thank you for watching.